Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this neon green Paracord 550 and this blue one also 550. The inspiration for this project came from our friend Cord Braid over the Instagram, so make sure to check his Instagram profile. I will post down below in the description box of this video. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful elegant paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. We're gonna take the ends of neon green, pull them together to find the center of a strand, and then we're gonna insert it from the top into the buckle. From here we're gonna pull these two strands through the loop, and we're gonna cinch it and create the cow's hitches. Then we're gonna pass to the other side of a bracelet or to the other side of a buckle, and we're gonna insert it from the top into the buckle. Now before we lock this, we're gonna insert our blue, and from here we're gonna pinch it from the back, this green, like so. Let me zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So from the back I pinched it. Now we're gonna cross it on the right, then return it from the back through the buckle and from the top into the loop. Before we tie this, we're gonna take our blue and pull it through this loop here. Now we're gonna tie it. Now we're gonna take the end of our strand, left and the right end, and we're gonna pull it so we'll have the equal end on the each side of a bracelet. So here we created our bracelet core and working ends. Now we're gonna start with our weaves. Take the left side strand, pass it from the back into the gap in the middle and to the top. Now take the right side strand, also from the back through the middle. Then with the right side blue, on top of the crossed cords, around them and from the back through the middle as well. Now we're gonna pass to the left side blue. So again from the top into the middle, around the crossed cords and from the back through. From here we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So left side green from the back through the middle, right side green also from the back through the middle, then with the blue from the top into the middle, around and from the back through. Take the left side blue from the top into the middle, around and from the back through. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon in the next video. Bye!